What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is money management. Do you need ideas on how to make money? Here are just a few to get you started with. Sell an ebook, podcast, pet services, landscaping, YouTube, Airbnb, mowing lawns, washing windows, painting, selling things online, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. The list goes on and on. Start somewhere. Now I just named you a few, and there's a wide range of variety right there. If you don't like those, you still got more. You can still consult. You can still help people who are in need. You can still do so many different things. There are so many ways to make money. You guys do not realize it. And for those of you who do realize it but don't execute, it's due to laziness. Literally, you can be an affiliate marketer. You can start selling things on eBay. You can write, create a course. You can write a book, sell an ebook. You can start a podcast. Now, a lot of these things, the money does not start rolling in straight away. Things like renting a car, things like, delivery services, that's where the money comes in straight away. Obviously, selling things online as well. But the things that take time, eventually they add up, they stack up. Just like YouTube, just like a podcast, just like any of those kind of things. There are so many ways to make money. You literally have no excuse in this day and age. If you do not want to make money, you will not. If you want to, you will. It's that simple. As you guys know, I have my different ways. Some of the ones I just listed I use, such as affiliate marketing, such as selling things online, such as consulting. Those are just a few of the ways I make money. Now, for those of you guys who like to, get out and do things, landscaping, those pet services, walking people's dogs, there are apps to do that. If you don't like those kind of things, create your own app. If you like technology, do something with online, teaching people. There are different ways to make money. Again, not everybody will be happy with these ways because they want everything to be given to them. They want it handed to them right there on a plate. But that is not how the world works, and that is not how you elevate and escalate and grow your income over time. The goal is to get wealth, build wealth, by creating different income sources, by increasing the gap between your income and your expenses. It's up to you guys. You can do things which are free. Signing up as an affiliate marketer, that's free. Starting a podcast, you have apps like Anchor where you can do that for free. If you've got a place, rent out a room, Airbnb, rent out the whole place, rent out the garden, whatever it is. If you've got a car, rent your car out. Or be an Uber driver, a Lyft driver. It's simple, guys. I've given you so many ways to make money today. The list goes on and on and on. You just have to start somewhere. Pick something and try it. If it really isn't working, you can switch. If you set a plan and you stick to it, maybe you need to change the plan, but the goal should remain the same. As you guys know, I have a smartwatch business. There's another way of making money. Start an online business like that. And if you haven't checked out my smartwatches, Time Gear watches, link is in the description. Check it out. As I said it before, you guys know I flip things. Go check out yesterday's video, how I made $250 in one day. You guys can do the same thing. I'm just like you. The only difference is I'm executing. And being the money management, the aim is to teach you about money, help you make money, get you an idea and a perspective of what money is about. But you guys have to execute. I want to help at least one person every day, and to do that, you guys need to take action. It's pretty simple, guys. So anyway, sold 2 more doorbells, got to finish those transactions today. Hopefully you can get that done, but you guys know the drill. I've got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.